So here's lesson 2.2. If you multiply any number by 0, your answer ends up being 0. You should remember that. If you multiply by -1, by 1, your answer will stay the same. If you do the commutative property, which means you can switch the order in a multiplication, your answer does not change, so it stays the same. Distributive property, I'll go over in a couple of the examples. A couple things that you know, that not all multiplications will have a multiplication sign. Sometimes they look like two brackets side by side. And last but not least, if the signs are the same with two integers, your answer will be positive. If they're different signs, it will be negative. So here's a table that you should probably copy down. So again, positive times a positive gives you a positive. A negative times a positive, that will give you a negative, because the signs are different. So a positive times a negative will give you a negative, signs are different. A negative times a negative will give you a positive, because the signs are the same. So, same sign, positive. Different signs, negative. Should be pretty simple. No number lines, no tiles to use. So, different signs, 9 times 4 is 36, since they're different, it's negative. Same, so 36 and positive. Same, 4 times 9 is 36, positive. Pretty straightforward. What happens if you got big numbers? Well, let's use a distributive property. Let's break it up. So we got 30 and 6. Don't forget the negatives, because you're going to have to do the multiplication. So 20 times negative 30 gives you negative 600, as the signs are different. 20 times negative 6 gives you negative 120. Okay, you add those things together, you end up with negative 720. And don't forget that you could use a calculator. So I'm going to grab my tools, the math tools, grab my calculator. Where's it popping up? So 20 times 36 equals 720. And again, you got to remember these are different, so they're negatives. Okay? So, next page. Negative 25, negative 48, since they have the same sign, my answer is going to be positive. Again, you could break it up, but because I want to save some time, go to your tools, your math tools, and you will get your calculator out, and you'll go 25 times 48, get an answer of 1200, and because it's positive, your answer is positive 1200, pretty simple. And we're done. We'll see you tomorrow in class.